Hi everybody. It's Saturday evening and it means that I'm working with a E36 coupe body, rescuing it from the death. And this is already episode 13, and in these 2 days I'm planning to finish with a rusty flooring in this car. As I said in the last episode, I have fixed all this reinforcement and same time the seat fastening points with bolts through the holes I made while drilling out welding points. So it is fixed here, and this is a good start where I can just start making the template as I want. To make a template so that it would be the one piece of metal going from here and bending to the inner rocker panel and also here. So it will be quite tricky, but I have to do this, and I think this is the right way how to do this. So let's start working. Because of COVID and our government regulations, all the shops with not necessary things for living are closed, such as paper shops where I previously bought this cardboard, and it's not an option to order it somewhere. So I have found 2 pieces at work, and I'm trying to find a way to make it from 2 different pieces or already 3 pieces. It's more complicated, but it's all about marking. Here it is, which I now need to bend. Well, this will be complicated, but nothing Just need to start and finish, and that's it. So, welcome to the day 2. It's Sunday and it's evening, and it's time to work. So, won't tell again what I said yesterday, so you just heard it and seen it. So, let's get to the work. Directly to the work! Again from the car, and again I ran out of batteries on my cameras, and so because of this I'm filming the final speech, as you can call it, from the car. I have finished repairing the last piece you've seen in the video. It is the stiffening point of the body, I don't know, frame, and I cut it a lot of damaged material in the front arch connection to the flooring, and these repairs you will see in the next episode, which I have already filmed, and yeah. So for nearest future, I will change the work rhythm, and also the working type. I will pause a bit the welding process, and I need to fully disassemble all the suspension, so I have enough time to give it to the sandblasting and powder coating, I probably will make it like this if the price of these works will be low enough. If not, I will just sandblast them and I will paint it by myself with all the primer paint and lacquer afterwards. But we'll see. But in any case, I will need to do this. Also, I want to take a rest from garage visiting, and I maybe will make something with interior. Sure, it's not the way it should be, but I think you also are not interested in seeing like 10 episodes of welding. Sure, it's not much left, but a bit tired of this, and yeah, we'll mix it a bit with interior works and suspension disassemble, and also if I will be able, I will visit these guys which are sandblasting it. And nothing new for most of you, but maybe it will be interesting for others. So thank you for watching episode 13. Please subscribe to my Instagram channel and follow my build, and I'm asking you to comment and give me some feedback so I can make it better. Yeah, see you next time, and have a nice end of the week and weekend. Bye.